This is happening live. Today, Wednesday, 8th March 2023. This is happening live. Akere Market, OÈDUA Papa, Lagos. Burnt down completely. And the security man was killed while he was begging them not to burn the market. What have these men done to them? What have these men done? They are not politicians. They are not getting from politicians. Nobody even remember them. Look at how Akere Market is. Look at the streets of Akere. Very dilapidated. Nobody cares. No one knows.
Tension in Lagos as political talks burned down Auto Sweepers Market in Lagos State shot several persons. Some suspected political talks have burned down Akere Sweepers Market in Lagos, Apapa Ajegule area of Lagos State. Some hoodlums stormed the market around 2 a.m. on Wednesday and shot a security guard and 2 other persons before raising down the market facility. In a video captured at the scene of the incident, a man who was at the incident scene said a security man and 2 other guys were shot dead and since be buried immediately. An officer of the Red Cross at the scene also confirmed that the market was burned down but did not provide further information on who was responsible. An online user identified as Fazi said, Akere Sweepers Market, Apapa, is not so big because it is in the resident area, so you have about 2 to 3 OÈDUA People's Congress OPC member guiding the market at night. Igbo have become a target in this period. Politicians are using brainwash people to ferment trouble, burn down people's property of livelihood just because of stupid agenda. In less than 4 months, the market will stand again. The people are so cooperative and financially strong, he said.
They are here just managing, trying to feed their family, trying to make ends meet. But the stupid politicians, when they finish eating the money, they collect the this and they go and build houses, buy exotic car and drive. When the masses that are suffering, you still come and attack them, destroy their properties. What are you doing this for? What is it for? You have gotten the ticket. What else do you want from the masses? What else do you want from these men? From these men that are trying to make ends meet. What do you want from them? What is their fate? What is their fate? The children that you have taken away food from their table, their cry will has reached God, and you will pay for it. The cry of these children has reached God. Look at these men now. Look at how they are. Look at them. Look at what you have caused them. Nigerian politicians, cool down for Jesus. There is God. In everything you do, think about it. Whatever thing you want to do, think twice before you do it. Why burn down people's properties? What are you burning it for? What have they done to you? What is all this for? What is all this for?
What is happening? Are we not in the democracy world again?
Can you imagine, my sister? Can you imagine? Jesus. Jesus. Look at. What is going on? What have we done to you politicians? What is the meaning of this? Please, Nigerian, if you are watching this, wherever you are, please spread this message. Save the land, because the thing is getting out of hand. Share it to reach the politicians. Let them know that what they are doing is not good. Let them know that what they are doing is not good. We voted. You rig election. You have given it to who you want to give to. We remain calm. We are not protesting. We didn't do anything. Why they attack again? Why are you attacking us? Why are you attacking the poor masses? That they don't even know the road to the government house. Nobody knows them. If they know how to, they will not eat.